In the 10 cup model pack, you will get 11 files, one extra being the plate. So how about I just start it? I'll just remove it. I'm using Blender for this one. You can use any 3D project, 3D software. Just go to file, import. In this one it's here, and I will import as obj. Go to the desktop, and first I'll show the free versions and then I'll show the bind versions. So I'll just open the free versions, and in the free versions you get these three things, that is 2 cup and 1 plate. And here you can see how it's looking. Complete plate, I mean the cup. There's a wire frame. Now let's see the full pack. If you have brought it, then you could just open the obj file in any software you want. Wait for it to load. And then you could see that they are loaded perfectly fine. Each file will be different named, and obviously it changes the name when importing. At least in Blender it changes its name. But there's the first cup, which is given for free. These are like 3 same cups with different handle. Then two like this kind of larger cup, or it is a flask or something. And here you could see it has 3 handles kind of design way. Then there's this similar designs but with different things, and a slight differentiation between this cup designs. This one with this shape, and these two are same, but I've just added 2. Then there you could see this is all which you will get in the 10 cup model pack. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and then these cups are 11, these plates are 11. And then if you want, you can check the wireframe also. You could see there it is. That's all. Thank you for buying from Dmvisualz. And even if you're buying from the free versions, not buying, just getting the free versions, then if you like to support, you could just check the donate links, and that would also help us to create more free projects in future. Thank you.